Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fireman Canada, and today we're going to be doing a milk system clean on the Jura J8. What you're going to need for this process. Now the J8 comes with a dedicated milk cleaning system container. You're going to need the tube that would have come with the machine, its connections, and of course, some milk system cleaning tablets. Anytime you make a milk drink on the machine, it will ask you for a milk system clean. Now you don't necessarily have to do it after every milk drink, but you should do it at the end of every day. Milk has a lot of calcium, minerals, and it can get kind of gross. So we definitely recommend doing this to make sure your frother works well and you have no bacteria built up in your foam. So step one, you're going to click the little gear on the bottom left corner and select Clean the Milk System. Your machine will then ask you to take your container that came with it, place it on the tray, connect the tube, and then dispense one shot of the milk cleaning tablets. At this point, the machine will then dispense hot water into the secondary chamber by itself. It's going to dissolve those tablets and then begin the process. It'll draw the milk system cleaner solution through itself, push it through the foamer into a separate chamber, and then flush fresh water right through after that to make sure you're going to always have a clean drink. Once that's done, it'll say milk system clean complete. You're going to detach the container, put it back into your milk reservoir or cool control, and you're ready to go. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today. Check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some cool and fun content, and check out our website, fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance product needs.